on workpiece 3D modeling. First of all, change the isometric on southwest. Activate the command cylinder and create cylinder. It's simply. Next step, on the top, mesh. Activate the command mesh tessellation options. In geologic window, select object, and on the wall field, select object. And the select object is click right mouse button on the mouse or click enter on the keyboard. Next step, click OK. Activate the command add Crease and select mesh subject Z and Z and click enter on the keyboard or right mouse button and the selection mask. In command line, click enter and activate the orbit. Remove Crease analogically. Activate the command remove Crease. Select Crease, click enter on the keyboard or the right mouse button, and voila!